this episode of our Learning to Teach Online technical glossary, we'll examine how to create a free blog using Blogger, one of the world's most popular online blogging websites. To get started, type in www.blogger.com and you'll be given the option to log into Blogger using an existing Google account. If you don't have an existing Google account that you use for YouTube, etc., you can click the Create a Blog button. As you can see, creating a blog is quite easy using this software, and it only takes a few steps to get started. First of all, we're going to create a Google account that we'll use to log into this blog in the future. So I'll just fill in all the details, and once we're finished, we click Continue to move to the next step. On the next screen, we simply give our blog a name. And we can also create a custom URL for the blog. If we check the availability of my new URL, we can see it's available. So once I click Continue, my blog will be set up under this URL. The next thing we do is just choose one of a few simple templates to give our blog a look and feel. Now, Blogger has a lot more templates available that you can choose from, but to start with, I'm going to go with the standard one, and we can come back and edit this later. That's it, we've created our blog, and now we can make our first blog post. Now, making a blog post is just like using a simple word processor. It's quite easy in the fact that there's a WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, interface to edit your text, add pictures from the internet, check spelling, make lists, etc., etc. Here, and I've pasted some content in from a Word document that I prepared earlier so we can get a head start. We can choose to save a draft while we're working, or we can publish the post. And here is my first blog post. So if somebody wants to post a comment, they can simply type into this box and click Post Comment, and you as the author will be alerted to what's gone on. Now, one thing you have to remember with these free blogging websites is that they're completely open. So if you use this for teaching, be aware that anything your students post into a website like this will be available for the world to see. If you'd like to ensure that your blog posts are private, one way to do this is to use a larger learning management system such as Blackboard.